It is currently like 7:05 in the morning on December 31st. It is New Year's. Well, technically it's going to be at night. And I am about to make my way to the airport. It's 45 minutes away to hop on a flight to Florida with my grandparents and cousin. I'm going to take you guys along with me, and it's going to be a fun ride. I am wearing my black rose sweater from Romwe, and then one of my favorite buttoned-up jean jackets for the airport, plus some black boots. So I'm gonna have to go pretty soon. I'm just gonna do some extra last minute packing. Bye, Mom, I'm going to Mexico.
Bye, have fun.
I'm going, bye, bye. I'm moving. Bye. I'm going.
You get your cousin with her food.
Beaches. I'm in. Alright, so this is the beauty of traveling to a warm area. If you bring junior mints with you, they melt all inside your purse.
Yeah, when we get to the country.
And on your chapsticks. You just have sticky lips and hands. It's no way. Oh, no. Look at that. It's so bad.
This will be the bridge to the islands.
So we go over and
The adventure begins!
So up ahead, this is going to kind of split, and we'll go over another bridge, and we'll be over the water for a bit. So you'll this bridge, like when you get up to the top of it, if there's any wind, it just sways. Like, so just hang on, okay?
I can pull right up here and we can unload the car now.
We made it, Kylie. Oh, I can't do it. This thing is the hardest thing to push. Okay. Oh, that would be so bad if we actually trapped someone in the elevator. Can that even fit in the elevator with us? Push it, push it. Yeah. Wait, can I squeeze in
Somehow,
here?
I don't know how you're going to.
Wait. trapped us.
Like on the wheel.
And I tried to hold the door open.
Like on the wheel.
Mission impossible. Oh, no.
Get it? You get it?
Got it.
Restrictions 5. I'm not going to turn this.
No, stop.
2v5?
Yeah.
It almost closed.
Is that 3?
We got a tire.
You're totally not.
It begins with me trapped in an elevator and my lip busted. I'm just here with my cousin Kylie. She's touching the water. And we're just gonna have a chill night on the beach. It is December 31st, so we're gonna watch the fireworks. And it is just going to be a very relaxed night because we've been flying all day. I believe I will do a hotel tour, room tour, just kind of show you guys around to see what we're working with. And I just really believe this will be a great time. I think I'm going to go run against some seagulls, see if they snatch some of my food up, and drink some tea. So I will talk to you guys later. I've been meaning to start reading my Milk and Honey book that I bought off of Amazon. It has a lot of poetry that I've been meaning to find inspiration with, and I had just started a new journal for 2017. I am that far in it yet. I'm very excited to fill it up over this trip. Kylie's still walking over there. I see you, girl. Yeah, I'm just going to start writing my thoughts and everything while listening to the ocean. I just kind of set you guys up in my camera bag so you guys don't get sand all over you. But I just wanted to talk about 2016 because 2016 was honestly a really year, and I hope 2017 is better. Hi, Kylie. Or what do you think of it?
What?
The water.
Oh, not bad at all.
Not
It's
bad.
like stand there for like 10 times.
Yeah. Are you gonna go in?
No.
No.
Not today.
Not today. Want to say hi?
Hi.
I really want to get some Cheetos for those seagulls over there.
Cheetos.
Or like some kind of food that they can peck at me at. Made the perfect cup holder. I'm having a really good time just relaxing and listening to the waves and putting little stickers in my notebook that make me happy. I really just want to let the negativity in 2016 like go away. I want to leave the negativity behind because 2016 was really, I went through a really bad depressive phase and I just really wasn't having it, to be honest. And I believe that I should set reasonable goals for 2016. I have thought of the idea that I want to be the best version of myself, whether that is enhancing things that I am already very passionate about, just doing things that make me feel better about myself and learning to love myself more, because that's the most important thing, honestly. I think I'm going to try apply that to 2016. The second goal that I have for 2016 is that I really need to get rid of the things that don't add value to my life, like things that don't make me feel good or, you know, just don't really impact my life in the way I want them to. I don't want things to hold me back from where I want to go. That's beautiful. The sunset always sets in the west, and it'll be right outside our hotel. Somehow I still come to the conclusion that I let myself believe that I didn't do much, or I'm not making enough progress in my life. I'm not doing the right thing. I always put myself down in that way. I don't get it. I don't get why I do that to myself when I really did a lot, and I impacted a lot of people, and I helped a lot of people, and I just made friendships that are really important. See, my friend is starting hormones for the first time. We've been working towards this for so long, and it's finally happening, and we made progress. See, that's progress, and I believe I should give myself more credit for what I do, because I seem to not, appreciate myself enough, and I think I need to learn how to, have more self-appreciation, and I think that will help me become happier in 2017.
That's strange. Are you cold?
I just wanted to share a little story that happened today. I was on the plane and we were about landing, so the pilot announced that it was Amy's birthday, which is a flight attendant on there, so I decided that I wanted to sing to her. Everyone was just saying happy birthday, so I just broke out singing. I was like, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, and I just started like the whole thing, and they didn't hear me, so another guy helped me out. Shout out to you, John, I think you sat next to us, but he started it more to get everybody singing, and made her so happy that she started crying. Lately it's been hard to put words together, and it just kind of taught me to give back more in life and to do things for other people, even if it's not for yourself. So it was just a really special moment, and she said that nobody has ever done that to her in 21 years, which is amazing. Nobody's ever sang her happy birthday in 21 years. It's just crazy to me that people can just share so much love in one place, that it can just affect someone so much. So I just wanted to share that with you. So spread the love and spread everything else that makes people happy. Oh, look at the little puppy. I'm going to go talk to my grandparents and cousin, so I will see you guys then. It's still going down, not quite. You can see it's slowly moving. There's a sailboat over there that's beautiful, sailing into the sunset. Last sunset of 2016. See you never.